Whale Map Complete Tutorial. The outline of this tutorial is mainly from two aspects. One is the adjustment of style. How to make it look good. And what can be adjusted. The other is the functional style. What are the specific functions? Let's operate and demonstrate together. Let's prepare the materials we need to use first. China map, Sichuan province map, and a sample data. The data mainly contains latitude and longitude data. We can first open the wing's engine, the official website's tutorial document, to learn how to obtain the image address and perform image settings. After understanding, we can start the operation. First, find the map category in the resource library. Add a GIS satellite map component to the project. After adding it successfully, the GIS satellite map will be displayed in the panel. In the right component layer, open the Map Service layer. Select the outline of each province in China. By clicking the global style on the right, you can modify the text style, the name and color of each province in the map. In the border style, you can adjust the width and color of the outer outline. In the background style, we can choose the type to fill. To fill the background color of the China map, select the right Argus satellite image. Adjust the map in the right style. The various values in the filter to make the map of China in the image more obvious. After setting, in the background style, use the image filling style. Paste the prepared China map into it. In the global style, we can add the background styles. The background style when the mouse hovers over. And the background style after selection. Select Sichuan province in the right China province outline. The map outline of Sichuan Province. The map outlines of Sichuan Province. In the background style on the right, add the bitmap of Sichuan Province as the background. After the style adjustment is completed, when we click on any area, the set style will be displayed. Here are the settings for functional styles. First, we set the marker point. Click on the drawing. Select the basic marker group component and add it to the map. We can see that the added the marker points in the left component layer automatically forms a marker group. Now click on Data. Import the prepared example data. Just click or drag the Excel sheet in. Finally, click OK. Then fill in the name and location fields as labels. We can directly drag the name. Search for the pop-up window in the search bar in the upper left. Add a pop-up window for interaction settings. Click Text. Continue to add basics. Common indicator cards and card flippers. In the panel for adding basic single-line text. Click the single-line text component in the panel. Enter the text content in the right style. Then click on the indicator card. Drag the turnover into the data field in the data. And open the button for interlinking with other components. Select the basic mark group on the left and open the button to link to other components. In the panel settings, select the pop-up window. It is mainly used to set the interactive pop-up window. In this way, the style of the marker point is set. Next, we will show the functional style of the flyline. In the drawings, find the basics and add the component. To add a flyline, you need to determine the start and end points. We drag the start and end points into the data flyline respectively. After that, let's start to set the style of the flyline. The settings of the basic flyline group affects the styles of all the wires in the group. Here you can set the thickness, color, start and end styles, and so on. Open the example table. Add a set of pop-up contents to the table. After saving the data successfully, add a pop-up component in the panel. To distinguish it from other pop-ups, we can name the layer as the flyline pop-up window. Then add basic single-line text to the pop-up window. And turn on the link to other components. Select Generate Attribute Data Source for the text. Then drag the pop-up data into the Dynamic Data field. Drag the data of the fly line according to the name into the data fly line in turn. Finally, set the panel. Select the wireframe pop-up window to complete the setup. Here is the heat map in the display function style. Click on the drawing in the left menu bar. Select the heat map to add it. Drag and add the local data field. After setting the corresponding field of the component, the heat map will be displayed. Through the heat map settings, you can change the size, color, transparency, and so on. Finally, I'll show you how to measure distance. Find distances in the Surveying and Mapping category. Click to add it. Select one on the map. Select a starting point and an end point. Double-click to measure the distance between 2 points. Added areas. Select a range to measure its area. Add a graph. You can frame any area in the map. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.